from our Sunday morning almanac. March 16th, 1910. The day high speed got a human face.
So finally the Pixel 3 XL loudspeaker has arrived from China. It took around a month. I bought it from an online website called as Unique Bud. They did deliver it, but it took a month. And I'd already purchased, the earpiece. It's already slotted in there in the main frame, as you can see. I will have to. Unfortunately, this is the old speaker wherein, due to the water seepage, the treble is like it's unbearable to hear. So I thought of replacing the loudspeaker. Unfortunately, it has got a T3 torque screw. If I can focus it over here, and I don't have the screwdriver for it, so I would have to visit the same shop who sort of disassembled the entire assembly for me, the phone for me rather, and I'll have to go ahead and get it replaced from him. To my surprise, the battery has not, it doesn't seem, by the look of it, I can see that it seems to be fine. There is no bulge as such, or any telltale signs that the battery is on the verge of of uh, of collapse basically. Unfortunately, then since the phone is overheating whenever I take videos, it probably has something to do with the motherboard over here. If it's not the battery, and I'm not sure if it's worth investing that kind of money again in opening up the motherboard and diagnosing what the issue might be, or if it's an issue with a software. Who knows? Since Google sort of showed me the middle finger as far as replacement, or as far as repairability is concerned, so I'm left in the lurch right now. So let's see. I'll have to get it. I was thinking of doing a video of replacing the speaker itself, but I don't have the torque 3 screws, so maybe tomorrow I'll visit the store and have it replaced from him. And let's see if the upper earpiece, again, that was water damaged, as is apparent by the red tabs over here, liquid indicators basically. I tried testing it by just placing placing these connectors. These are gold pin connectors. So the camera is unable to focus. These are gold pin connectors. I tried sort of contacting these connectors with the motherboard, but I was not able to hear anything. So I'm not sure if this is going to work. But let's hope that at least the treble issue with the loudspeaker is resolved. Okay, let's say I'll visit the store tomorrow. Hi guys, so I've got the phone finally repaired from the local workshop. So after finally 3 months, the phone is it's all glued together. Luckily for me, the earpiece as well as the loudspeaker are working fine, and I'll demonstrate the same video to you, and you can check for yourself how loud it is now, and loud and clear as well as it used to be.
And now, a page from our Sunday morning almanac. March 16th, 1910.
So the treble is no longer sort of breaking or farting, as they say. It is as clear as it can be, and I'm so happy
The day high
basically.
speed got a human face.
It's a pity that Google could not resolve this simple issue of replacing the earpiece as well as the loudspeaker. Luckily, there was no issue in the battery itself. They could not do it. They asked me 30,000 to send a replacement phone, and probably this would have ended up in a junkyard. So so that was pathetic from Google. Let me show you the costs involved. As you can see, the sham Google support, I paid 850 rupees for it, just to ship it from Mumbai to Noida and back, and they did not even open the phone. Then the actual loudspeaker, I used a website called as Unique Bud. It is a nice website, though they made me wait for a month to actually go ahead and ship it back to me, but the speaker turned out to be nice. Even the earpiece was, I used Bring You All. The turnaround time was pretty quick. I believe it was around a week or 10 days, and that speaker turned out to be quite well as well. And the local repair shop, thankful to him, he pried open the phone, and we just ensured that only these two parts need to be replaced. There was no other replacement needed. Once that was confirmed, I sort of ordered these two parts, and the battery, and in fact the Google support people, they said that the 3.5 headphone jack needed to be replaced, but there is no issue with that. So I'm not sure how brilliant, what tools they use to determine it. So basically it costed me around 2,100 rupees or something like that. So considering that Google had quoted me around 30,000 rupees, so the phone is back in working condition, and it's a win for repairability. I'm sure if Google makes these parts easily available, my phone would have been repaired back in January itself. But unfortunately, they did not support the cause, and I had to order it from China, and they made me wait for around a month or so. But it's worth the wait. Let's see how far. As you can see, it's still uh, we are applying some pressure by way of these rubber bands, Indian jugaad basically. And by tomorrow, to basically we just need to use these entrapments for around 2 hours. That's it. But tomorrow I'll be uh, you know you st- I'll start using this 5-year old phone as my main device. That's it for now, guys. Thank you and goodbye.